This 3 ingredients juice prevents cancer, treats kidney problems and other diseases. One of the 3 ingredients you need is also available in winter, which makes it great for the treatment of colds and flu. Beet has strong anti-cancer properties. It is packed with carotenoids and folic acid. It is a root vegetable high in antioxidants that protect against free radicals, premature aging and diseases. It is even more powerful when combined with carrots and apples. All you need to do is juice 1 beetroot, 2 carrots and an apple. Blend the beetroot and put it in a glass. Leave it for an hour in the fridge, then add carrot and apple juice. Drink the juice half an hour before your breakfast. What you should remember is not to combine all the juices at once. First make the beetroot juice, as it has to stay in the fridge for an hour to lose some of its harmful substances. If you skip this step, you may experience nausea, dizziness and vomiting. These substances lose their properties in contact with oxygen. This juice will help you strengthen your immune system, prevent cancer and kidney diseases, and heal ulcers. It removes toxins from the body, relieves menstrual pain, builds up low blood count and eliminates fatty deposits from the blood vessels. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.